This sweater and this top from Zara. In case you see me for the very first time, my name is Nancy. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that red bell down there that says subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Please just do that with just 1 second. Have you done that? If you don't do it, don't do it. Okay, thank you very much. Subscriber, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all of you now. Thank you so. I am the only one that experienced this, guys. I want to know Zara disappointment, like I said. Is that possible? Yes, but you let me know if you've experienced the same thing. I beg you, now let me know. Maybe this top and this sweater was part of my very first Zara haul. So I'm going to put the link down below in case you've not watched the video. I'll put the link down there so that you can go and check on it. Okay. Initially, I don't shop in Zara, or I shop in Zara once in a while. That is also because it's not close to where I live. I have to drive for 40 minutes, in the highway to get to Zara. So when I started this YouTube channel, I saw guys love Zara haul. I don't want to talk too much. These two sweaters were part of my first Zara haul. So am I disappointed? Yes, I am disappointed. I'm very sorry to say that. Okay guys, we'll talk through, please. The truth is, you don't just buy anything because it is cheap. I will not be so. So this crossbody, I watched a lot of haul also on YouTube, and I saw a lot of people also bought this top from Zara also. It comes in black and this color. That I think, yes, black and this cream color. If I had, I would have gotten the black, because I believe it. If it was to be the black, I don't think it will be. I think this would have happened. That is the truth. Yes, but now getting to spring, after winter, black and all those dark color, you just needed something bright, just to bright up your wardrobe also, because it is spring already. So that was why I just got this. I bought these tops because I like them, not only because they were cheap, and I was expecting to get a lot of wear out of them. But unfortunately, I don't know. I'm going to bring it very close to you guys so that you guys will see it. I have worn these two tops just once. When I washed it in my washing machine, normal 30 degree, my normal program, guys, when I brought them out, I was kind of shocked about the way the material, what really happened. I was kind of, oh my god, what is this? And let me first of all iron it and see what will become of it. So guys, I'm going to bring this material very close to you to see. It is not possible for you to wear a top like this just for once. Wear it once and wash it, and you have this kind of result. It's not possible. Just take a very look at it. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Just take a very look at it. I don't know. You can see it looks as if I have gotten 1 million wear out of it already. It looks so overworn. So that is the material. I don't just understand it. It just looks so weak. Guys, just take a look. Just take a look at it. Just take a proper look, and you will see what I am talking about. You will see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you've seen it. I just hope you're seeing what I'm showing you guys properly, just the way it is, just the way I design for years. So I hope you can see the design like that. So guys, I wore it just one time, and I washed it. Iron, and this thing is ironed though. If you were to see it not ironed, you would have been shocked. That is the truth. You won't believe that I just wore it once. So guys, I'm just so disappointed because, like I said before, if you're buying anything, no matter how cheap that thing be, draw your attention is because you like that dress or top. Not because of it's too cheap, that is why. Because even if something is cheap and you don't like it, trust me, you're not going to buy it, but you don't want to waste your money on something that is cheap because it is cheap and you know that you don't like it. Absolutely. Now I'm so disappointed in Zara for this top, these two top. Thank God there is this cream color. I think I got these two cream and another sweater knit cream. I've not worn that one. I've not worn it. So I just hope that it will not bring the same result that these ones gave me. That is the truth. Also because this one was not cheap at all. This one is almost 40 euro. This top is almost 40 euro, 35 euro if I'm not mistaken. It comes in, I'll put the link of that video below so you can go and check it out. Yellow, blue, and this cream color. Guys, it's so disappointing. I know that we are getting to spring now. Everybody needs bright color, but I would just advise, just get dark color to be better for you, or maybe other colors will not give the same problem. but I don't really know. But this cream color, if you're planning to go and get it, the cream color, look at what happened. Trust me, if you have the same experience, guys, I would really appreciate it if I can hear from you. Please, guys, don't forget to share it with us in the description box, in the comment section. Sorry, because I want to know if I am the only one that's, you know, obviously I'm not the only person that bought this crossbody top and this knit and this sweater. I don't really think so. So guys, if you experience it also, let me know. It is just so disappointing because I thought that I would get much wear out of it, but how can you just wear a top once and wash it and it's looking as if you've been wearing it for the past 25 years? How? It's not nice at all, and above all, it was almost 40 euro. I bought it because I really love it, because the color, and you know, this kind of sweater goes with every single thing in your wardrobe. If you don't just know what to wear, just take it and throw it on and put on your jeans or whatsoever and you're ready to go. So I just fell in love when I saw it, even if it was not too cheap. It just felt bad for the first wash. The result that it comes out, it's not just impressive at all. So guys, let's see what this top is even made of. 64% viscose, 27% polyester, and 27% nylon. That is what is written here. Nylon 27%, polyester 27%, viscose 46%. I don't just, of which all this, whatsoever they use in making this top is not the best material at all. Despite it was not expensive, but at the same time I just felt so bad. Once it would just be as if you've been wearing it for the past 25 years. It's not nice at all. So I am very disappointed in Zara. If I'm the only one that experienced this, which means my washing machine is bad or what? I don't think so, because that washing machine is less than 1 year. So, and the temperature that I used in washing it was 30 degrees. I think, yes, 30 degrees. So I don't really think the fault comes from me. It is just the material. If you experience something like this, if you got something like this, let me know so that I will know that I'm not the only one that is complaining. And if you're planning to get something like this, and this crossbody top that fits me so well, trust me guys, just go for another color, the black color, because this milk color that everybody likes in spring, I don't really, that is, after the first wash you will just hate it. So it's so sad that I have already trimmed off the ticket. We would have seen what it was made of. As you guys can see, I'd already cut and come out. So the ticket no day. This sweater, this one is from H&M, and the material is almost the same thing with this. The material is almost the same thing with this, just that this one has this kind of line. Trust me guys, this one is very much cheaper than this. I have other kind of sweater, light one or thick one, that are from other brands that I have been wearing for the past 2-3 seasons. They did not change anything. They still remain just the way I bought them. The important thing is that you iron it whenever you wash it. It just remains new like the very first time. So I just wanted to compare this one. This one is from H&M also. I have worn it. I have washed it. This one, the quality is just so nice. I'm not saying because it's Zara it should not happen. Absolutely no. That's not what I mean. But coming from Zara, you know, I don't think it should be like that, because you buying something that you like, not because it was cheap. So you expect to wear that thing till you get tired, or at least you know so that thing worked for its money, for the money that you spent. Not just after once and the thing just be like, no. Trust me guys, I would like to wear out this one will just be sweater that I will be wearing to, you know, to do my house chores in the house, because I don't just like the way it is looking. I can't just, you know, see myself wear this kind of thing, dress up, say I go out. Absolutely no. So guys, I'm just so disappointed in Zara. Just take a proper look at it. I'm just so disappointed in Zara. Guys, I would advise, if you're planning to get, especially this top, this milk color is not the best color for you. You can get the blue or the yellow, but this one, I don't know if they still have it anyway. But if you're planning to get it, guys, trust me, you will just hate it. That is why I would like to hear from you guys that get the same top from Zara. This one, also this one. If you experience the same thing, let me know so that I will know that the fault did not come from me. So please guys, let me know in the comment section. I just want to share this with you, my people. It would have been any brand anyway, but you know, I didn't expect it. Whether it's Zara or any other brand, I didn't expect it at all. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you so very much for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe like I said before if you want to see my fine face again. And if you have, thank you so much.